So people often ask, what do they do if they get hurt on the job? So if you get hurt on your job and you're hurt such that you're going to need medical treatment and you may be off work, you need to immediately go and talk to your supervisor. Depending on the size of your company, that may lead to you talking to someone in HR, but you've got to talk to them and let them know that you're hurt, that you need medical treatment, and that you may not be able to come back to work. There's good news if that happens. And there's this thing called workers' compensation that a lot of people have heard about. If you get hurt on the job, you don't have to prove that your employer or anyone was at fault. Just the fact that you got hurt on the job means that you will be compensated for your medical care and medical treatment, and you'll be compensated for any time you miss from work. That's how workers' compensation operates. And your employer, the good news there is they have insurance. It's workers' compensation insurance to pay for your medical care. Now, the bad news about workers' compensation is it doesn't provide full compensation for your time away from work. It only really typically compensates you at a reduced rate. However, the good news is you won't be going for weeks, months without any payment or way to live, because you will be compensated for your time away. But most importantly, though, you have to tell your employer, you have to tell your supervisor, I have been hurt, here's my injury. And it's important, though, if you do get hurt, that you go forward. Another thing that's really important is a lot of us are tough and we kind of want to say, oh, I'm not hurt, I'm fine. The problem with that is if you keep trying to work and you are hurt, you're going to get hurt a lot worse. So if you're hurt and injured, time out, stop, talk to your supervisor and get treatment.